What are insulators? In the study of overhead lines, we know that the electricity transfer takes place through grid stations. And as we know that for the electricity conduction, we need conductors. Thus, in overhead lines, also we have conductor materials for electricity transfer. But at the same time, they need to be insulated from the ground, as the electricity will flow through the ground in case of leakage and there will be wastage. Therefore, to protect the flow of electricity to the ground, we need to require insulators in the overhead lines. Here in this section, we'll discuss the importance of insulator materials in the transmission of electricity. The line conductors used in the poles of transmission line for this purpose. And these line conductors are properly insulated with the help of insulators from the support end. Mainly, they provide the necessary insulation between line conductors and supports. Here we are going to discuss some of the properties of insulators which are used in overhead lines. The most important one is high mechanical strength. To withstand any type of load like wind or weight, even a high electrical resistance is also required here, so that leakage of current to the earth can be easily avoided. And as it requires a high dielectric strength, so high relative permittivity of insulator is also there. Now coming to the material used in these insulators of overhead lines. The material is non-porous, free from impurities and cracks. Porcelain is the most common material used for insulation in overhead lines. Even the mixture of glass, steatite, can also be used. But being stronger than glass, porcelain has much less leakage than glass, and it is much less affected by temperature changes. Now let us summarize the insulators.